Today's topic is on how to generate payment reports. To begin, we first access the Reports section located on the left side of our dashboard, where we can see an option for reports. Here, we find 5 types of reports available for selection. For example, if we choose to open the upcoming payment report, the first step involves selecting the date range for which we want the report to be generated. We select the upcoming payment report, which allows us to only select future dates. Following this, we have the option to select our campus to filter the payments received for that specific campus, which we want to include in our report. Additionally, we can select the program we are interested in. After setting these filters and generating the report, we can see the details, such as a student named Jackson who has a payment due on the 11th of November for the amount of $129. To export the report, we click on the Export button. After clicking, the request is processed in the background. Once the report is ready, we receive a notification, and by clicking on the Download Report button, the report will be downloaded to our device. Similarly, to generate an overdue payment report, we select the desired campus and program, ensuring no filters are missed to capture all relevant payment details. This detailed report will show all payments received up to the current date, including their specifics. Under Payment Detail Report, we have a payment received from Jackson T. on the 20th of October. The report will also indicate the status of these payments, such as whether they have been verified by the staff. If not verified, they will appear as pending verification. To export this report, we simply click on the Export button, and the report will be prepared for us. We can use the same process to generate the sales report. This process allows us to clear and sort data, ensuring we have all the necessary information at our fingertips. By exporting the report, we ensure that all relevant data is conveniently accessible for review and analysis.